Want to become a PC genius? Here are the most useful keyboard shortcuts you'll ever need, all in under a minute. Let's start with the essentials you can't live without. Copy with Ctrl plus C, paste with Ctrl plus V, and cut with Ctrl plus X. Made a mistake. Ctrl plus Z to undo, or Ctrl plus Y to redo. To select everything, hit Ctrl+A. Quickly switch between apps with Alt plus Tab and close a window with Alt F4. Need to step away. WINDOWSL locks your PC, and Windows plus D shows your desktop instantly. Managing files is a breeze with these. Ctrl plus N for a new window and Ctrl plus Shift plus N for a new folder. F2 lets you rename files, and Alt plus Enter shows their properties. Surfing the web. Ctrl+T opens a new tab, Ctrl+W closes it, and the magical Ctrl plus Shift plus T reopens the one you just closed by accident. Finally, a few system-level tricks. Windows plus E opens File Explorer. Windows plus Shift plus S lets you take a quick screenshot, and for a little fun, Windows plus the period key opens the emoji panel. Save this video so you'll never forget these again. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye, Surrey.